Alright, so this is installation instructions for the i-Blason HD clear screen protectors. I have in particular the 3-pack for iPhone 5C to install on an iPhone 5 here, because they're basically the same dimensions without being that plasticky feel. But the instructions are more or less the same for any mobile phone for any of these styles. So we'll go ahead and get this open. And dump out the contents. And so, as aforementioned, this is a 3-pack, so I have in here 3 sets. I'm going to set 2 aside. And some installation instructions. Covers basic tips. Installation is easier in a high humidity area like your bathroom after a hot shower, just because it'll keep down the dust levels. You should wash your hands, as I have done, before installation. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off this screen a bit. We also have the dust absorbing stickers and the smoothing card. So let's, as you can see, I got some dust on there already. Take our screen protector here, peel off the front label, and I like to set it above and make sure I've got it more or less an idea of how it's going to go on before I do so. So set it at one end there. I generally recommend starting from the bottom and then allowing it, slowly giving it more as you need. And I'm already noticing a piece of dust right there, so I'm going to stop while I'm doing this. Keep everything in place, get one of my little stickers off here. I'm going to stick it to the dust that's gotten picked up by the screen protector. Right. That way, it's out of my way. And then we will resume. Our unfurling here. All the way down to the end. Right. And we'll peel off this second level. As you can see, we got just a few bubbles here from our application. So go ahead and get those out. And if you do find yourself with another dust spot, you can just, before you set it all the way, pop up one of the edges here. Right, like I have this dust on my right there. I'm going to pop off with the dust absorber. Then I'm going to reseat the screen protector. Did a little bit quicker, got a few more bubbles that way, but just for demonstration, so I can go ahead and smooth them all over to an edge and get rid of them. Couple more strokes there. And then you're free to enjoy your new screen protector in all its clear glory.